GLOSTAD IKEA. What is the difference between IKEA and Inter IKEA? The IKEA GLOSTAD is an affordable and compact love seat designed for small living spaces. It's part of IKEA's budget-friendly furniture collection, offering functionality and style at a lower price point. Here's a brief introduction. Key features of the IKEA GLOSTAD love seat include compact design. The GLOSTAD love seat is small and lightweight, making it ideal for apartments, small rooms, or spaces with limited square footage. Simple and modern aesthetic. Its design is minimalist, with clean lines and a neutral color scheme, allowing it to fit seamlessly into various home decors. Comfortable upholstery. Despite its affordability, the GLOSTAD offers a comfortable seating experience with cushioned seats and backrests, suitable for casual lounging. Durability. It's constructed from sturdy materials like polyester fabric, with foam-filled cushions and a wooden frame, providing decent durability for daily use. Affordable price. The GLOSTAD is designed as an entry-level piece of furniture, offering great value for those on a tight budget without sacrificing essential comfort and style. The GLOSTAD love seat is perfect for people who need a small, functional, and cost-effective seating solution, especially for compact living spaces like studio apartments or home offices.